From here, flutter your eyes open, roll your shoulders, and let's go straight into the next mini flow. Bend the knees, backs of the hands together, wave yourself up, upward facing hands, shallower deep back bend, squeeze up, candle arms, we know this by now, sink down, forward fold. Let the head go, elbows pointing to the back. Half lift, height of your choice. Forward fold, hands as flat as you can make them. Bend your knees as much as you need to and step back to your plank. We're doing a modified sun salutation, eh? So from here, all the way down, all the way down. Low cobra, hands up, squeeze your back. Hands pressing down, higher cobra, or upward facing dog if you're ready for this. Lifting back up, plank. Knees bend, push back and up, puppy pose, or downward facing dog. Spinal waves. Every time we're in downward facing dog or puppy pose, you're welcome to come into this spinal wave. From here, listen out, your right leg curls up, the knee points back, up, extends. The left heel lifts up, so we are in a high three-legged dog. Wave yourself forward, three-legged plank. Curl your legs through. Curl it nice and high into the body. Lift up slightly as you step. That's how we get the foot there in a smooth movement. From this lunge, push back. Notice the hinging of my front knee. It's now pushing back in line or a little paired back from your ankle, back heel down. And we are in a humble warrior. From here, backs of the hands together, wave yourself up in a warrior one. Lengthen out the body here, especially the back leg, to feel that lengthening in your hip flexors, in your iliopsoas muscles, yeah? So, warrior one. Now, from here, a different kind of exalted warrior. Your left arm sweeps back, down, as your right arm is reaching up. Continue that circling of your left arm until it's parallel to the floor and reaching forward. Your top arm is reaching diagonally back, and both arms are reaching in the direction they're going in a different kind of exalted warrior. You're welcome to drop the head back here. Deep, full breath. From here, squeeze the front line of the body to lift. Your arms have a little bit more travel time and come into an open palm, warrior two. You're reaching the arms here, but you're squeezing the back. If your neck is okay, look at your front hand. If not, point the nose in any direction that your neck dictates as it's neutral. From here, from our warrior, open palm warrior two, front knee lengthens out and neutralize the neck. So you're looking towards where your sternum is pointing. So we are in a Da Vinci pose, one of them. Now let's take the other Da Vinci pose and turn the feet diagonally towards the corners of your mat. Palms up for this one. Squeeze the back. Allow your arms to be drawn towards the back. From here, bend the knees, soften down, hands down on the mat, let the head go. From here, hands on your ankles, that's what they're called. Hands on your ankles and knees come into a straight line. Yeah? Listen out. I know you can't see me, but if your screen is movable, then that's good. From here, your left hand presses into your left ankle, pushing the body towards the right. Your right hand is pulling you towards that right leg. The left shoulder comes down towards the center, and you're looking up towards the right. It's a different kind of goddess twist. With your right hand, push yourself back to center. Again, listen out. Right hand pressing into your ankle, drifting the body to the left. Right shoulder comes down the middle. Left hand is pulling the body towards that leg, and you're looking up. Left hand pushes you back towards the middle. Yeah? Now we know what to do. Left hand pushing to the right, twisting and looking up. Right hand pushes you back to center. Neutralize the neck here first. To the left side, right hand pushing you to the left, right shoulder down, body drifting to the left and looking up. Push yourself back to center. From here, one more per side. Pull yourself to the right, twist the head and drop the shoulder. Center and to the left. Back to center. Release your hands back down on the mat so that you can bend your knees, adjust your feet as you need to, backs of the hands together, and lengthen up. Let's open the body here first, because from here, hands together, forearms together, bend the knees, sink back down in this pose, yeah? Bring the body, tilt the body, a small tilt is enough, but you are invited to give in to gravity this time and sink the body between the legs. From here, don't overthink it. Just sway the body side to side. Like a pendulum. We're just swaying the body side to side. From here, once you're back at the top of the mat, which is this time the right side, release, turn, hands down on the mat on the plank, left side already in a plank position, and spring back. Full plank, all the way down or halfway. Cobra or upward facing dog, back through plank, to puppy pose, to downward facing dog, and spinal wave. Deep full breath. From our downward facing dog, and yes, I just changed my orientation, you stick to yours. From here, left leg curls up, knee points back, up, extend. Your right heel lifts up, you are on the flats of your toes, and we are back in a high three-legged dog. Wave forward, three-legged plank, curl your leg through, and step. From this lunge, push back to our humble warrior. Adjust your stance as you need to, backs of the hands together, and wave yourself back up. Nice and slow, don't rush. Upward facing hands, warrior legs, warrior one. Breathe here. Feel as if you're pressing something above your head, and lengthen out that back leg to lengthen out your iliopsoas muscles, your hip flexors. From here, right arm sweeps back, the arm of that back leg. Sweep it back, down, left arm is reaching up, right arm parallel to the floor, reaching forward. Left arm diagonal, reaching back. You're welcome to keep looking forward or drop the head back, up to you. From here, squeeze the front line of your body. Don't rush your arms, especially the right shoulder, and come into an open palm, warrior two. Squeeze your back muscles, yeah? Don't let your back arm kind of come forward. Bring it in line with the body or with the squeezing of the back muscles a little bit towards the back. Breathing here. From here, left knee lengthens out. Bring your neck, your cervical spine to neutral. One of the Da Vinci poses, Vitruvian man pose, and come back into the other half of that Vitruvian man with the feet in a diagonal position. But the arms are nice and wide and palms up for now. Squeezing the back. From here, let's melt down, bend the knees, melting down on the mat, hands in line with your feet, just to get your stance. Then hands back on your ankles, knees straight but not locked, never hyperextend, let the head go. Again, listen out for the cues and don't overthink it, just trust yourself. Starting with the right shoulder down, right hand pushing into the ankle, left hand bringing you closer to that side and look up towards the ceiling. Push yourself back to center, don't rush this, and to the other side. We know what to do now. I'll just cue the sides just to give you that head space to breathe and move. Back to center, left side, center, right side. One more per side. Center, left side, back to center, right side. Come back to center, hands release back down on the mat so that we can bend the knees and adjust our stance. Backs of the hands together, lengthen up. Let's just open the body up first before our side sweeping pendulum. Inhale here, on an exhalation, candle arms. Sink down, bend the knees, and tilt from your hips. Don't hunch the back. I'll try to show you sideways, yeah? Don't hunch from the back. From here, just tilt forward, keeping the back nice and straight, yeah? Again, trust yourself, give in to gravity a little bit, and let your body come nice and low. Pick a side, doesn't matter which. Do your pendulum side sweeping lunge. Allow the upper body, allow the arms to sway. Not kind of sway, they are swaying. But your hands are still pressing in, your forearms are still pressing together, but you are swaying and softening. It's that balance of soften and keeping that strength. From here, once you're back on your left foot, stop. Release your arms. Oh, feel that flush. Back heel up. Right side is already in a plank. And spring back. Full plank. All the way down or halfway. Cobra or upward facing dog. Back through plank. Puppy pose. Downward facing dog. And do your spinal wave. You're welcome to sigh if you want to. From here, heels up, knees and elbows bend. Just walk to the center of your